guys, good morning. It's rainy day here in Arkansas. My husband now is driving. Rain, go away. Go to California right now. To Washington. They're always on fire there. This is my homemade sandwich for my honey. At my back, behind me, that's the information center. You can use the restroom. They have free booklets. Booklet for your guidance if you want to stroll around Oklahoma. I think I saw there you can have free coffee, and yeah, if you want to stay in a hotel, they have also free booklets there inside. I think it's already now past half an hour, so I think we're going now soon. We're now stopping and we're going to shower. TA fuel station, and that's the store. We're heading there, here. This is our shower number 5. And welcome to our shower room. I am done shower, guys. It's already 9 o'clock in the evening, and yeah, it's a little bit warm outside. I transferred shower room because the first shower was sucked. It was too hot, even if I put it into very low, but still for me it's very hot. So yeah, my view for tonight. Since it is already 9 o'clock in the evening, so I decided to have a very light dinner. It's only a cereal with almond milk. Almond unsweetened original. This is really good, guys. It only has the sugar is less than 1 gram. And my cereal here is Golind toasted berry crisp. Yan. Plant protein and multigrain cluster cereal with cranberries and blueberries. Yes. 9 gram of protein, 8 gram of fiber, 16 gram of whole greens. This is really good. Look at that. Verified non-GMO. Not that much.